ice cream here. Let me ask them. Hello. Yeah, well, how are you? Yes, how much is ice cream? Depend on size. How much? This one 7,000. Okay, give me for 7,000. You can't mix? No. Give me. Let me see. Give me mango. I don't know others. Yes. Yeah, these are chocolates. We are first trying chocolates. This is really amazing. For me, the first time to do it. Hello African, hello everyone, hello guys, welcome again to my channel, welcome to the African Culture channel. Actually this is one of the best channel, one of the best African YouTube channel in the world, of course, and we are here to promote what belongs to Africa. We are here to promote what belongs to Africa. Guys, we are just here at Arena Mall. Arena Mall is in Kampala, in Gaba Road. So I was coming, as you can see there. That's how beautiful this place is. So I just came here to discover because it's my first time to come here. So I came to see and to show you guys how this place looks like. I've got ice cream for 7,000. 7,000 is $2. I just got an ice cream. Guys, you can't believe I'm going to show you how beautiful this view from this beautiful mall looks like. So while I'm eating my ice cream, guys, enjoy with me this place. You can see there. I don't know if you can see there. You can see the flyover is just is under construction. It's there, and also that side there you can see mango. I will try to turn my camera so that you can see it very well, guys. So hope you are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and hit the button. Hit that red button. We need to reach more subscribers. Guys, actually this is where you can easily see the beauty of Kampala. Actually, sorry, this is where you can see how beautiful Kampala is. You can see those buildings up there. This is Massa Roads, I think, and those buildings there. You can see for Nakaseros. You can see Mapera out there, and I don't know the names of other buildings, but yes, you can see, and the train is just there moving. Is it a local train? Yeah. And also you can see a flyover under construction is just here. This is where you can easily see the flyover under construction. This place is amazing. It's one of the best mall here in Uganda. In Kampala, of course, in Kampala is one of the best mall. You can see just around there. Let me show you the view. The view is really perfect. I will try to move around, showing you different places, what is really inside here. I hope you know this shop. It's on most malls here. You can easily find them. So I'm trying to move around and try to see what is here and there. Try to discover very well the place. You can see This is amazing. You can see up there. It's like it's like Bulai, of course. Guys, I don't know English very well. Just understand me, okay? So I can easily speak Swahili and French. So that's what I was saying. This place is amazing. This place is beautiful, and they still have empty rooms. If you want to come and get a place, you can easily come and hire a place here and start your business. Yeah, this is a business small. It's not actually a tourism mall. It's a business mall, and yes, we have a shop. We have a shop there for phones. You can see there, and also if you come here, you are outside. I think if you come here, you are directly outside of the mall, because that road goes to that road there goes to Kansanga. Yeah, that road there goes to Kansanga, and people are paying the parking. You can easily pay the parking there. Please, if you have any business, you can easily come and have your place here, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, subscribe and hit that button. Guys, you can find another parking here. This is another parking. Wow, this place is amazing, guys. Place is amazing. This is another parking here up. In case the place like the parking is over there down, you can come easily and park here. The entrance is there. You can see the entrance. You can come from outside. Yeah, because it's just near Mestil Hotel. You can see Mestil is just there. That's where I always upload my videos. Yeah, because they have a super fast internet. So we are here, guys.